What's up, everybody? This is the Tech Preacher. So as I've been reviewing smartphones year after year, one thing comes to mind: compromises. And why do we accept compromises? As I've been reviewing smartphones, all I've been seeing year after year after year is compromises. And why do we get hype over new smartphones? Let me give you my thoughts about this. Sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So every year we get new smartphones and we all get hype about it. The new smartphones coming out. You know what? Me as a tech enthusiast, I get hype over newer technology too. I get hype over new smartphones. But you know what's so strange? When I talk to a lot of people, they always ask me the question, what do the newer smartphone has that my current smartphone doesn't have? And I'm like, specs, camera enhancements maybe, and a higher price. So when I talk about compromises, I think we all been bamboozled. Check this out, right? I got the Galaxy Note 9 here, one of Samsung's best devices of all time. It has a beautiful Quad HD display, 128 gigs of internal storage. It got a headphone jack. It got dual speakers, best-in-class cameras. It has DeX support. It has a S Pen, an S Pen software. It has a fingerprint scan. It has Face ID, and it works very well. And to this day, it's very fast. And the people that have this phone, to this day, they still love it and they don't want to let it go. Next, look at the LG V60. It's a beautiful device, beautiful display, very fast processor, 128 gigs of storage, SD card support. You have a headphone jack with a quad DAC, best-in-class cameras, one of the best video promos in the game, dual speakers, pen support, dual display support, and more. So when we talk about compromises, let's talk about the unboxing experience from the past to now. Check this out. So I want to take a few minutes to talk about the unboxing experience that we had back then compared to now. These right here are devices that came out with no compromises. This is the Galaxy Z Fold 1. This was a unboxing experience like no other. When you take this out of the box, you had a very premium unboxing experience. I mean, this was just absolutely great. So when you're taking this out of the box, look at this premium experience, right? Not only that, but when you open up this part, you get a case in tow. You get nice, beautiful messages. So this came with a case right here. It came with all kinds of premium services here. When you're taking this out of the box, look at this unboxing experience. When you open this box up, you came with a charger, buds, it came with a power brick, it came with cables, it came with all kinds of premium stuff here, all your books and stuff, a SIM removal tool, and everything else in between. This boxing experience was really good when it came down to the Galaxy Z Fold 1, right? So this is where we was, and this is where we at. This is the unboxing experience on the Z Fold 3. Thin box, open the box up. This is the ultimate ridiculousness, right? Compromises. Nothing in the box, nothing. This came with the phone, no power brick, and you get a cable. That's it. This was the unboxing experience for the Z Fold 3. So don't let just because it's a few $100 cheaper fool you. You still have to buy all the accessories. You still have to buy a power brick. You still have to buy a case. And if you want wireless buds, you still have to buy wireless buds. Another premium unboxing experience, right? This is the Galaxy Note 9. And when you open up the Galaxy Note 9, you got a premium unboxing experience like no other. Look how it flips open, right? And you have the phone here, and you have the Galaxy Note 9 stuff here. You take this out of the package, This is what you get in the box. Look at that. I mean, you have a USB connector, you got your charging brick, you have, God, what else you have in here? Look at that unboxing experience. Look at that. You got premium AKG headphones here. You got extra tips. You got a cable. You got the fast power brick. Everything else in between. Even with an iPhone, right? I remember when unboxing the iPhone, you got all kinds of good goodies in the box. And now here's the iPhone, comes in a box like this. And I mean, it's nothing in the box. Just nothing. And I got the Galaxy Note 10 Plus here. Again, another premium unboxing experience. You get a SIM removal tool, and look at how beautiful these AKG headphones in this box. Oh my God, see, this was no compromises back then. You get the cord, you get the power brick, you get the AKG headphones. Look how beautiful that USB Type-C cord is in here. You get a nice premium cord. Look how long, look at these AKG headphones. This is just absolutely beautiful. So here it is. This is the unboxing experience that we used to get compared to the unboxing experience that we get now. Check this out, right? Phones now, it's normal not to have no headphone jacks, subpar battery life, higher price, no power brick in the box, no USB dongles in the box. Hell, there's no SIM removal tools in the box. How the hell are you supposed to insert your SIM card from your old phone to the new phone when they don't even have a SIM removal tool in the box? No SD card support and stuff like that. So how did we get here? How did we get to this point? Well, we allow companies to screw over us in a very short period of time and accept these compromises. But why? Why do we accept these compromises? Well, I have an answer. I have an answer to that question. You know what the answer is? It's us, tech reviewers, and it's them, the companies, that have manipulated the tech community into believing in a false narrative that you don't need extra storage. 128 gigs is fine. You don't need extra storage. Next, you don't need a headphone jack. Don't worry about the wired headphones. We want to say you Bluetooth headphones. You don't need a power brick in a box. You don't need a power brick in a box. You don't need a SIM removal tool in the box. You don't need it. Plus, we want you to pay higher prices because the company need to make more money. You as a consumer don't need a choice because we will manipulate every tech reviewer to say that this is the phone you need. This is the best phone you ought to buy. So it's no need to have choices in this game. When the Pro Maxes and the Ultras come out, these are the devices that you need to buy. So how do we solve this problem? First, it's okay to keep the device that you already have if it's doing everything that you need. You don't have to worry about upgrading, and you don't have to worry about tech reviewers saying that you have to upgrade, that you need to get the latest and greatest. Don't let no tech influencer influence your decision on buying a new device because the device you got already is old and outdated. Next, do your research on the content creator that you follow, including me. Have they been truthful to you? Have they been honest to you? Check their history out. And that's the whole thing about this. A lot of content creators say they real, but are they really real? Now, being truthful and validating your purchase is two different things. We're not here to validate your purchase. We are here to give you the pros and cons about the products and services that we talk about on our channels. Next, hold us content creators accountable for not being real and truthful. If you believe we're not real and truthful, and you believe that our history says that we're not real and truthful, remember, a person can say that they are real, but do they demonstrate realness? And what I mean by holding us accountable, that means by unsubscribing, pulling support if you're a member, all kinds of different things that you could do to hold us content creators accountable. Next, hold the company accountable by not buying their product. Vote with your pocket. Next, do the research on the products and services that you seek. Don't rely on one content creator to make your decision. And that's the whole thing. Don't rely on one person to make your decision. Do your research before you make your purchase decision. So here's my promise to my viewers. I will keep it real no matter what. But you know what? I'm a tech enthusiast, so I will be hype about the newer, latest and greatest tech. That's what we do. We techies. That's what I love. I love tech. But I will keep it real no matter what. Over the years, I've been seeing a lot of compromises. I've been calling it out. A lot of people have been telling me, Easy is the new latest and greatest. We don't need power bricks in a box. We don't need headphone jacks. We don't need this. We don't need that. And I'm gonna tell you, to me, the prices haven't went down, right? The prices is going up. But year after year, we've seen a lot of compromises, but we're not holding companies accountable. And here on this YouTube channel, I talk about holding companies accountable, and I will continue to hold companies accountable for the good, the bad, the ugly about their product. I will never compromise on my reviews. I will always hold companies accountable for the BS that they present to the consumer. That's my promise. No compromises here on this YouTube channel. This is Eric the Tech Preacher from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about these companies and compromises from years back to now. See you guys on the next video. Peace.